Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Pepe. Your daily updates, wanted to cover it today. I think that Pepe in general, just to give you a bit of an idea of why I'm covering it. I think Pepe today actually has some potential. Earlier today what we saw is that meme coins were relatively strong. It's no longer the case right now. But no, earlier coins like WIF, but also other meme coins, like I'm not sure at what time anymore. I'm not sure when I saw this. But no, Dogecoin, Pepe were relatively strong. Strong performance. NOT was also quite strong, even though that's uncorrelated. And Pepe got a significant bullish breakout here. You can see we had this strong trend line indicating the downtrend has been respected very, very often. We broke above that. Now, it's the weekend, all right, so that doesn't matter that much. But you can see in general as well that Pepe, where first it was a real downtrend, I think right now it's shifting a little bit more into a consolidation. And a consolidation, when we're talking about market structures, is obviously much more bullish than a downtrend. All right, much more is possible from there. From a consolidation, what I usually say is that look, a breakout is imminent, and it's kind of 50-50 between a bullish or a bearish breakout. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about. And in general, I also do think, look, Bitcoin right now is pretty much flat over the course of this weekend. Volume was very, very low, but due to the relative strength that I saw from Pepe and meme coins earlier this morning, and then also some other meme coins being at some very strong support levels, like a coin like Bonk and a coin like WIF have dropped down so much and have dropped down into such strong support levels, that I actually do think that somewhat of a recovery is not far-fetched. But the thing is, and that is the most important part of this analysis, is it depends on Bitcoin. All right, if Bitcoin it turns very bearish again with this new week opening, meme coins will be bearish as well. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, right now if I look at Pepe, the main support level we have is the support level right here around 11,000 still. I would say, even though we haven't necessarily respected it that much in the last week. But if Bitcoin turns bearish, so if Bitcoin drops down below 64,000 again in the next 24 hours, Pepe will 100% follow and drop down towards 9,500 and 9,000. So that's what I kind of would expect, all right? Because Pepe, like I said, we broke this downtrend, but it's the weekend. So a breakout, first of all, doesn't mean that much. And breaking the downtrend also doesn't mean that we are all of a sudden bullish, right? It just means that we are no longer really trending down. So yeah, I think that's something you need to keep in mind. Now, what I do think is interesting about Pepe, and which also makes me a little bit more bullish, is what you see right here. So what you see is that since this night, and that's also what you can see on the chart here on the 1 hour time frame, we got some nice green candles here. But what you can see is that actually quite a few big positions, long positions, all right, so buys, came in overnight. And you can see that since then, so that's around 2 a.m. or something, since then, open interest has gone up by quite a bit, and the CVD has been positive. So something or someone or some entity is positioning for more bullish momentum for Pepe. And I think that's interesting, all right? That means that like these are millions and millions of positions being opened, and they're all, or at least they seem to be, mostly longs. And then we also had some short closures here, which could be just some risking off, but it could also be a move in anticipation of what's possible. So purely technically, I am slightly bullish on Bitcoin, and that's also why I'm slightly bullish on Pepe, because I think the correlation right now is very, very strong. So I would say we can do something like this. All right, up to 12,500. If Bitcoin becomes very strong, up to 13,200. I don't expect us to get a massive breakout. All right, so the main resistance level is right here. I don't expect us to break that. And I even think it's most likely we'll just stop at 12,500. But some bullish momentum I do expect. I'm not trading for it yet, at least. But that's what I expect. But the best thing to do is just to wait for Bitcoin. All right, and most of you know that if you're smart, best thing to do is just to wait today out and to wait for some stronger confirmation in the next tomorrow. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.